In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my scalping session using pure price action. We're looking at ES. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. The structure of the market right now is in a weak form of bullish uptrend. We had a market open here. The channel right now is holding well. It has a lot of confirmations off of these lows, and the bias is weak, but it is to the upside. So I'm not thinking about selling just yet. I'm only thinking about going long. Alright traders, I'm resuming the video as I just entered a second entry short, new low, first entry short, second entry short of 2 key entry points. We bounced on my exit order. Okay, now we tick through. So I'm gonna place my stop loss to break even. We scalped our main portion, which was 7 contracts for 2 points, leaving 1 contract as a runner. And this was super quick trade. As you can see, it gapped. I barely didn't get filled. I chased it. You can see normally I place my limit order at the close, but the bar looked bullish, and in 1 second reverse all the way down, which is confirming the wider trend. We have 1 bounce, 2nd bounce, 3rd four swing confirmation. EMA keeps rejecting. This is a new low, first entry short, pull back, 2nd attempt at 2 key entry points, and because uptrend played away to break new high, we're safe to assume some bearish reversal, at least temporary one. And our previous downtrend has a break, 1 push to a new extreme, 2nd push, 3rd push. So for this reason I widened the channel and I drew the big trend in. So this was quick, small little scalp, second entry short of 2 key entry points. Okay, so I adjusted to a slightly better spike and channel pattern. The reason why I didn't take this setup is just a first entry short. You can argue this being a triple test, which is actually a decent analysis at 2 key entry points, but look at it tail at the bottom. This is not a good signal bar, so I was really hoping to get a second entry short. Now we have overshoot. If we're going to continue working lower strongly, then I'm going to adapt to some wider alternative. But right now I'm going to pause looking to go short for a while because I expect stronger pullback. But if bottom drops, this means they're probably a steeper channel. So uptrend working higher, break new high, push below EMA indicating reversal. Continuous EMA rejections are telling you that the downtrend is established. And this is how we're working with pure price action. And we're observing market geometry to look for confirmations off of these key entry points. So as we suspected, market keeps dropping lower, so I'm looking for a little bit steeper alternative, and we are expecting market to reach the bottom, the low day key level, because right now it is 1 push up followed by strong push down, so big trend range overall. Alright, so I'm resuming the video because the bottom dropped lower. It's a little bit harder right now to find the best fitting channel because the trend channel line is not as confirmed. This was such a sharp sell-off. I'm playing it safe, treating it as an overshoot. I can always adapt. If I'm not sure, I'm just going to be following the short-term uptrend. This uptrend is still in play. It looks like a one leg working higher. And we'll see. I'm not buying just yet because you can see the downtrend is still the main pattern. But this was such a 90-degree spike down. There's a big chance this is overshoot. So I'm going to be respecting the short-term uptrend. Okay, so I'm not shorting here because after overshoot, I'm expecting a stronger pullback to the opposite direction. We showed the measured move, so we should break the channel. EMA is flattening a lot. We have series of high lows, so we definitely expect the break of a trend line. And after we're going to read the measured move and the break of a trend line, then I want to see push back below EMA and a new low for this downtrend. Okay, so after overshoot, it is hard to predict how strong this correction is going to be. You just don't know how many legs that are going to be working higher. For this reason, if I expect new low for the downtrend, I want to see push below EMA first, and I want to see a lower high confirmation setup or felt second entry long. Now we can see this low today support key level right now can come into play as a resistance. So it would be good if we stay below EMA here so I can consider a lower high confirmation setup to get the new low because we have overshoot, 2 legs up, testing the breakout area, support is acting as a resistance. Using market geometry to predict directional bias of the market only based on price action. You can see I have only one indicator on the chart, that is 2-1 bar EMA only, but it is a supportive indicator. So we have a lower high here, but it is not at the EMA. There's potential small support, you know, tempting setup. I wanted to see it closer to the EMA, not even tail is touching it. You can see the body is so far down. You know, context is down, yes, but after overshoot, I really want the lower high to form much better somewhere around here, close to the EMA, not this far down, but if we get a mini second entry short, there will be also a full second entry long. I would consider that much more. Okay, we are finally breaking this mess. I'm considering mini second entry short breakout pullback. We still have a little room before we're going to reach the new low, so the bias is still bearish. Unfortunately, I didn't really want to sell in this mess, so hopefully we'll get small second entry short because this downtrend needs to get new extreme after a break. So after downtrend played out with the break, move to a new extreme. If you want to predict bullish reversal after a new low, which is what you expect, correction or reversal according to market cycle, you want to see failed second entry short above EMA. We had a new low, lowest low, first entry short failure, pullback second entry short failure, but my failed second entry short was an inside bar, not fully above the EMA, so it was not the best failed second entry short. Context is there, but inside bar, not fully above EMA is not ideal, so I didn't take it, and now we reversed to the upside. So I came back from the break, we had an uptrend break new high, we had bearish reversal, downtrend break new extreme. Since downtrends played out, and we have flat EMA, consistent price swings up and down, I decided to draw a trend range, a break new low, reversal pattern, push above EMA. So even though there is slight bearish bias, this is not the healthiest trend range. We're going sideways, and hopefully this uptrend gets strong so I can start looking for second entry long. Right traders, I'm resuming the video as we have second entry long at the EMA. The uptrend needs to get new high. Downtrend has two legs down. I'm using a deeper limit order because the bar ended up quite big, closing quite high, and I want to decrease my risk. So if we're gonna pull back, that'd be nice. I'm gonna move it a little bit higher. The new high, first entry long, second entry long. The bar is 4 points. One more tick below. You know, had it been smaller, it would have been great, but this is quite big. Okay, we didn't get filled, so I have to cancel the order. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it up with my one trade. So this is the overall structure for today. It was actually a very decent day when it comes to price action. It was very predictable. You can predict where the market is gonna go based on price action rules. We started with a nice uptrend. There's a second entry long at the trend line. This second entry long is right at the open, so you can't really take it. After breaking new high and a push below EMA, the reversal can take place. And EMA rejecting every single time is allowing you to predict stronger reversal with wider downtrend. So there was a second entry short, followed by a triple test, but the signal bar has a massive tail at the bottom, so really sketchy. Had it been some stronger bar, something like this, you can sell it because more key entry points you have, the better. Then it was a little bit difficult task to find the best trend channel line with most confirmations. The reason why I decided to draw this as overshoot is because you have 1, 2, 3 gigantic bearish bars at the bottom of the move. At the end of the trend, a lot of time is indicating exhaustion. 90-degree spike down so far from the EMA, and because we were part of some consolidation, big up, big down, it makes sense to expect pullback to test this key level. The low of the day, breakout area, breakout, pullback, and if you push below EMA, that is indicating the sellers are stepping into the market. You can see there's a short setup here that ended up working, double trap. This lower high ended up failing, but problem is we have overshoot. So you truly want to respect the overshoot. It can generate a stronger pullback. I projected it to like a pullback, and only after break of the trend line, this is how you know that the overshoot kicked in. Push below EMA is resumption of the downtrend, and now you're safe to be looking to sell. Bunch of second entries on the way down. I decided to mark the second entry short double top. It is a decent setup, and this one is a bit more aggressive. It first triggered above the EMA. You can consider taking the second bar. I wanted to see some strong rejection below EMA, but context wise, these are decent setups. Breaking extreme. Reversal pattern what we talked about, it was quite sketchy. Then quite a long time without the setup, nothing really much happening here. There is no good failed second entry long, first entry long, second entry long failure, but gigantic, you can't take it. Downtrend working lower, then you have congestion, most breakouts will fail. Second entry short combined with the failed breakout at the EMA to new extreme, and followed by new low, first entry short, push above EMA, second entry short failure. This right here is the reversal pattern you wanted to see right here. Stronger, above EMA, great signal bar, indicating the market will turn from bearish to bullish. Why? Because all downtrends played out. Even if we're playing a little bit wider one, we're going sideways, uptrend break, attempt to get a new high, and then market close. So predictable price action using price action rules, few decent setups, It's a shame we didn't get some textbook setup here below EMA. You have to sell above EMA. This was a little bit choppy here, but overall, it was pretty solid. So I hope you had a good trading day. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to talk to you next time. Good luck with your trading.